Are you looking for the best compact treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the best compact treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Horizon Fitness 7.4 at Treadmill. If you think compact treadmills are flimsy machines without high-end features, the Horizon Fitness 7.4 at Treadmill will prove you wrong. This model wowed us with its plethora of premium features, quick Bluetooth connectivity, smooth, long belt, and weight capacity of 350 pounds. Unlike many small treadmills, the extra-large running surface gives your legs plenty of room to stride without worrying about falling off the back of the tread. But far and away, the quick adjust dials were our favorite feature. Rather than endlessly tapping on the screen to adjust your speed or incline, each arm of the treadmill features a dial that can be turned up or down for an almost immediate adjustment. Dimensions: 76-inch LX37 WX63H, maximum speed, 12 miles per hour, incline, 15% weight, 318 pounds. At number 2. Echelon Stride-6. This foldable compact treadmill is perfect for those who are tight on space and want the option to transport their equipment with ease. Our testers were impressed that the Echelon Stride-6 still felt smooth and stable at high speeds and on an incline despite its lightweight design. The controls are pretty basic but user-friendly, and we appreciated the adjustable phone holder, 2 cup holders, and slots for tablets. We wish there were a few more incline options, but overall, it's a smart choice for small spaces. Dimensions: 115-inch DX60WX128H, maximum speed, 12.5 miles per hour, incline, 12% weight, 300 pounds. At number 3. GYMAX Treadmill. Looking for something simple and effective to dip your toe into running and walking for fitness? The GYMAX under-desk treadmill is one no-frills solution. Less than 4 feet long and 2 feet wide, this small treadmill manages to win on space saving while still hitting speeds fast enough for running, up to 7.5 miles per hour, and offering a simple, easy-to-read touch display screen and phone holder. While you can switch between run and walk mode by folding down the console and side rails, know it's a very manual process, tools are involved, so you may be less motivated to do it every time. Dimensions: 49-inch DX27 WX42H, maximum speed, 7.5 miles per hour, incline, none, weight, 74 pounds. At number 4. Merax Electric Folding Treadmill. In addition to a compact design, LED tracking display, and convenient shortcut buttons, the Merax Electric Folding Treadmill is easy to unpack and assemble quickly. One user said it only took them 5 minutes. At under $300, we also thought the display outperformed its price tag. Unlike other small treadmills, the water bottle holders were plenty spacious, so you could easily sit between intervals. That said, the speed maxes out at 7.5 miles per hour, and you can only get a slight hike going with the max 2% incline. Dimensions: 23.5-inch DX55 WX43H, maximum speed, 7.5 miles per hour, incline, 2% weight, 64 pounds. At number 5. NordicTrack Commercial 2450. We think the NordicTrack Commercial 2450 is a great choice for those looking for a smart treadmill with touchscreen and speaker features. The large screen pivots, and with NordicTrack's iFit membership, you can access thousands of workouts with features like Smart Adjust, which scales the workout to your fitness level, and ActivePulse, which adjusts to keep you within a target heart rate zone. Membership costs about $15 to $39 per month depending on the plan. Our testers found that the belt was smooth once a pace was set but did notice a slight jerking when increasing speed. The buttons for speed and incline also had to be pressed in exactly the right spot, so there was a bit of a learning curve to adjust to the controls. Dimensions: 77.3-inch LX37 WX63.4H, maximum speed, 14 miles per hour, incline, 12% weight, 400 pounds. At number 6. WalkingPad X21 Double Fold Treadmill. The WalkingPad X21 Double Fold Treadmill is best for walkers who are looking to increase their steps indoors and don't need added shock absorption or the option of an incline. This simple, low-profile walking pad is impressively slim and lightweight, folding neatly for storage and sliding easily under a standing desk. The console is convenient and easy to operate, and there's an optional holding bar for those looking for additional stability. Dimensions, 55.8 inch L 27.9 W 41.4 H. Maximum speed, 7.5 miles per hour incline, no weight, 240 pounds.